吱吱吱叫，科科科科科科，呵。嗨，大家好，我是林老师 ，I'm Miss Lin from Taiwan。今天我们要来学37个注音 ，or you can say ㄅㄆㄇㄈ, ㄅㄆㄇㄈ. ㄅㄆㄇㄈ is a phonetic system only used in Taiwan. When I was a little, I never learned pinyin. It's 注音。我小的时候是学注音，不是拼音哦。Make sure you watch the whole episode for the complete training once and for all. 那今天的影片会有一点长 ，Today's video is gonna be a bit long， 所以赶快去拿个咖啡、茶，我们要开始来学咯。等一下 ，Before learning ㄅㄆㄇㄈ， 在学注音之前呢 ，I would like to spend 2 minutes to talk about the basic rule of 注音。You can omit this part if you already know. Basically, ㄅㄆㄇㄈ has initials and finals. So if we combine them together, it becomes a word. For example, let me take one from the initial, let's say m, and one from final, a. So m, a, ma, ma. Then I will have to put tones. 你们知道几个音调吗? Do you know how many tones in Chinese? 5个音调. So it can be ma, 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 ma. Or the neutral sound, ma, ma. Different tones carry different meanings. If you want to know more about tones, I've made a video for you just here. 不用担心 Let's learn the ㄅㄆㄇㄈ right away, and you will know what I'm talking about. B, 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 b. What word has b in it? 包子，包子。The next one, p, 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 p. Can you feel the air coming out? P, 葡萄，葡萄，葡萄。m, m, 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 m. 猫咪，猫咪。猫咪 is a cute way to say cat. In daily life conversation, you can just say 猫, it's fine. F, 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 f. 米饭, 米饭. In daily life conversation, just say 饭 is alright. 饭. D, 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 d. 刀子，刀子。T, t, 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 t. 吐舌头，吐舌头。吐 is to stick out. 舌头，吐舌头。呢，呢，呢，呢，呢，呢。牛奶，牛奶。了，了，了，了，了，了。楼梯，楼梯。歌，歌，歌，歌，歌，歌。戈壁，戈壁。戈壁 is a formal way to call arm, okay? 戈壁。科，科，科，科，科，科。卡车，卡车。科科 is a laughing sound, but kind of laugh behind somebody's back, or you do something quite sneaky, so you are like k, k, k. It's also a slang word. H, 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 h. Okay, make sure the air really comes out. H. Okay, use your stomach. H, 喝水，喝水。鸡，鸡。鸡鸡鸡鸡，公鸡，公鸡。漆，漆，漆漆漆漆，油漆，油漆。Did you notice that? When I say 漆, my mouth is like this. It's like I'm smiling. right? So to make sure you say it in a horizontal way. 七西西西西西西西瓜西瓜吱吱吱吱吱吱 This one is a bit hard, right? Because when I say it, I kind of force myself to have this vibrant sound. 吱吱吱吱吱吱蜘蛛蜘蛛 By the way, how do you say Spider-Man? 蜘蛛人蜘蛛人 The next one is a bit similar to the previous one, but the air has to come out. 吃吃吃吃吃吃锄头锄头狮狮狮狮狮狮老鼠老鼠日日日日日日热狗热狗滋滋滋滋滋滋 Make sure when you do this sound, it's also horizontal. 滋滋滋滋叫滋滋叫 Like monkeys. 滋滋滋叫滋滋叫吃吃吃吃吃吃小草小草小草丝丝丝丝丝丝雨伞雨伞 There you go, so you've learned all the initials. E 衣服衣服乌乌乌乌乌乌乌龟乌龟鱼鱼鱼鱼鱼鱼鱼缸鱼缸啊啊啊啊啊发芽发芽哦哦哦哦哦哦苹果苹果肚子饿肚子饿肚子饿叶子叶子 I 大海大海 A 飞机飞机 A is an interjection when I call my friend and then when I text my friend I use this ow 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 祈祷祈祷 O O O O O O 溜冰溜冰溜冰安安安安安安安安全帽安全帽恩恩恩恩恩恩爱心爱心爱心肮肮肮肮肮肮肮脏肮脏 This is a very strong word when you call somebody 肮脏 They are dirty and messy, disorganized 电灯电灯 Alright, I have to say Taiwanese Mandarin accent is very subtle, so this is not very obvious. In daily life conversation, we normally just do 电灯电灯 So your tongue has to curve a little bit. 耳朵 This one is the same thing. In Taiwan, we pronounce this word softly. We just curve our tongue a little bit in real life. So it becomes 耳朵 Yay! 好棒好棒！你们都学完了。You have learned all of it. Then now what? You might ask. 所以呢，然后呢？Most of the learners just give up here. They either give up or they just lost the interest already. This is how I would suggest. Just carry on. Keep it going. 继续学 Don't linger here for too long. 不要在这里停太久 This is a once and for all thing. Spend 1 week practicing 注音 and the vocabulary that we just practiced. For example, after this video, try to test yourself, look at the 注音 and see if you can pronounce it. If you forget, just go back and check again. For example, what's this one? 这个是什么? And then the second week, just move on. Okay, if you linger here for too long, you are never going to progress. Don't forget, either pinyin or not, 注音 or not, they are just a tool for you to learn Chinese. The most important thing is still Chinese character, 中文字。等一下。For each video, I create PDF lesson and audio files. It has pinyin, 注音, traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese. It can help you review anytime, check your grammar understanding, and listen to the audio anytime, anywhere. If you are self-learning or you don't have time to hire a teacher, this is really a good way to improve your Chinese. 那今天的影片就到这里 So that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Please share with me your 注音 learning experience. 那我们就下个影片见喽，拜拜。